As Drew mentioned, we have a number of factors to determine when we should actually start working on our project. So first of all, we have the grade. Let's say we want to do pretty well, so we're aiming for a 90, and we need about 4 days to complete the project because we're pretty efficient, given we paid attention during the lectures. And let's say that additional days will lead us to a slightly better grade, but only by about one point per day, which is not too amazing. And we want to do pretty well, but we're upperclassmen and it doesn't matter too much. So let's say it's a 3 importance getting an A versus a B, and there's a little bit of a grade penalty for not presenting by the TAs, and we got a pretty hard end of the quarter. So let's say we've got a project week 8, both week 8 and week 9, and we don't mind working too much during Thanksgiving because we got in a little bit of an argument with our parents. So let's say it's a 2 in lameness to work during Thanksgiving. And based on these factors, Matt is going to explain how our model works to use a Monte Carlo simulation to figure out when we should actually.
Thanks, John. So if you run this a few thousand times, we see that our model tells us we should start working during Thanksgiving. This actually means we'll end up missing our chances to present during week 9. So hopefully we don't have to present during week 9. We've calculated our total happiness based on when we present based off of our grade. And then if we're going to have to present, will the penalty of not presenting kind of overweigh our grade and our total happiness from being able to procrastinate a bit and work on other projects. So our grade is simply based off of the grade we're aiming for, plus any additional days we'll have to complete the project based off of when we're started. And then we've added some randomness based off of kind of grading personalities of each TA and of the professor. They may think that our work is better than we have thought, or they might think it's worse. So we've added a little bit of a normal distribution to our overall grade. Our total happiness is based off of, did we have any major projects we had to work on during that week in addition to our project? Or if it was during Thanksgiving, kind of how lame we decided it would be to work during Thanksgiving. And then after running that trial many thousands of times to kind of overlay any randomness caused by that normal distribution and kind of avoid any flawed averages, we've determined that it's better for us to work during Thanksgiving, which mainly means that the lameness to work during Thanksgiving is kind of overweighed by the project during week 8 and by the small grade penalty for not presenting. Thank you.